of mine. So I was in the CIVI as well, and I talked about it yesterday morning, where it's like, given yesterday's action, it's like I was expecting like a shakeout of this 60 area, and I bought 60, I bought 59, I bought 60 again. So my cost basis was pretty much at 60, and the real out, 54, 52 are the real spots where I was up just about 10% in the name, and then to give it back and to now lose money, for me, it was like I'm all about preserving the capital. I'll take a break even if I know I'm going to get it ticked out. And this is like, ticks me out. I got stopped at like 59.84. So I pretty much basically broke even. And now it's closing. It looks great. Like you mentioned, you're still in it. And it's like, now it's like, even for people like myself, if I got shooken out and I want to get back in, now I got to, buy it to the close and chase $1 higher, which is something I'm not going to do. But it's like, you can probably still catch some move into the 63 or 64 area. But this one, I did well adding back into the name, especially on the way back up after the initial shakeout. I just did a poor job with raising the stop too prematurely to protect the capital, and now that it's still kind of working. But this is one, again, I have no problems with getting back in this one. If it needs to pull back in further, it's not like I'm going to not put this trade back on if it happens again. Another one that's working was this DUK. Again, we're talking about utility names, utilities being strong.
That's sick.
Yeah, so this was it was funny because on Friday these both triggered. CIVI triggered and DUK, and of course CIVI, it's like for me, it's like I like that one way more because it closed up 8%, 9% of the day, and this one was up like 1%, and you think like CIVI is going to be the big one, and then fast forward now, I'm at a CIVI break even, and DUK looks fine, and for me in the short term, it's like I can expect like a move to like 112. That's like the short term kind of move. This like little flag, and then the much bigger pattern, it could probably go 120, 125. But for now, that's like my first target. Where when it gets to 112, if it gets like a little extended, I could think to take some profits. But that'll be if it gets up there when I start to start raising the stop versus right now it's just a break even stop.